Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to explain about a wonderful app which will be useful for the people who wants to speak like a native person. Ladies and gentlemen, in this video I'm going to explain about a free app which will be useful in our day-to-day life. So this is very useful for the beginners so that we can learn how to speak effectively and we can get a good command over the language of English. As per my perspective, English is not only a language but also it's a skill. If you're the person who can perfect at this skill, definitely you can get many opportunities. So let's start this video. First, go to the Play Store. In this Play Store, you can download English Conversation app. Just you can type it here as English Conversation app. Just you can observe here that I have already installed this app, so that it was showing that installed. So like that you can install this app from the Play Store. After installing this app, just you can open. The screen will be coming like this. Yeah, just click on this part. Here you can observe each and every tab. That means home, bookmark, offline mode, remove ads, instructional video, recommended apps, support at talkenglish.com, visit website. In the downside you can observe here category. Exactly, here we can use all these things for free of cost. See, the thing is that there are different options are available. That means different topics will be available under this category tab. Trips and vacations, eating related topics, family and friends, talking about kids, daily life. Like that we will be having a different parts so that you can opt as per your wish. So I'm going to start from the trips and vacations. Just I click on this. When you are clicking on that, you will be getting like this. You will be getting many options, many topics. You can go sequential so that you will be getting a good confidence to get the command over this English language. So after opting that trips and vacations, you should go in a sequential order, so that I will go in the first one, afternoon picnic. See, here the ad will come, just you can close it. See, like this tabs will become like this. So the first one is that listen, so that we can listen the entire part. Once you click on this part, see, once you click on this part, you can listen the entire topic. After listening this entire topic, you can go to the another tab, that is a quiz tab. See, that means, see, language is all about first we have to listen, later we can understand how much that you have understand, that you can completely get from this quiz. After completion of this topic, if you click this quiz tab, you will be getting quiz. See, after that, see, once I click the quiz, you will be given the questions like this on that particular topic. After completion of this topic, next question will be coming, so that you have to complete this quiz. So what will happen by accepting this quiz means, that means by doing this quiz means we will be getting a complete understand about that topic. After that, practice tab, you can opt one person, either Kathy or mom. If you are the person who can opt this Kathy, you have to follow the conversation. So if you if you opt the Kathy, you have to be listen the conversation of Kathy and you, so you can be getting a full conversation. After that, you can observe how the things will come, that means how you are using that language. That by using this record tab, you can just get the information. You can start recording by clicking on this recording tab. You can get the complete conversation. That means what are the conversation that you have with the other person, that will be recorded. So these are the options which will be available in this conversation English conversation app. So it will be very useful. So I strongly recommend for all you people, just use this app. This is absolutely free. uh, See, the thing is that for the beginners it will be very useful. So people who are in the beginning stage, definitely you can use this app to improve your English language. This is what all about this video. Thank you for watching this.